Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. Every home deserves a touch of green elegance, and nothing captures timeless indoor beauty quite like the grand bloom spider plant, nature's cascading masterpiece of fresh air and grace. The grand bloom spider plant has become a favorite across the USA, loved for its adaptability, charm, and its magical ability to purify the air. Whether you're in a sunny Californian apartment or a cozy New England cottage, this lush plant thrives effortlessly when given a little attention and affection. This guide will walk you through every secret to growing, nurturing, and enjoying your grand bloom spider plant year-round, helping you turn any room into a living sanctuary. The grand bloom spider plant, scientifically known as Chlorophytum comosum, is adored for its slender, arching leaves that burst from the center like a radiant fountain. Each green ribbon with creamy white stripes dances in the light, creating a sense of movement and freshness. This plant doesn't just decorate your home, it breathes life into it. The grand bloom spider plant's reputation as one of the best air-purifying plants endorsed by gardeners and indoor growers in the USA is well-earned. It removes toxins like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde, allowing you to breathe easier and live better. Growing the grand bloom spider plant is an invitation to enjoy nature's simplicity. It's a plant that forgives mistakes, thrives on love, and rewards you with lush growth and tiny white blooms that appear like stars among the foliage. Whether you're a beginner gardener or a seasoned green thumb, this plant will bring you joy. To start, the grand bloom spider plant loves bright, indirect light. Place it near a window that gets filtered sunlight. East-facing windows are perfect. While it can tolerate lower light, it shines brightest when it receives gentle morning sun. Direct sunlight for long hours can scorch the leaves, causing them to lose their vibrant color. So filtered light is your best friend. When it comes to temperature, think about your own comfort zone. This plant prefers room temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, just like most homes in the USA. Avoid placing it near heating vents, air conditioners, or drafty doors. Stability is key. A consistent environment ensures strong roots and shiny leaves. Watering your grand bloom spider plant is simple but vital. Overwatering is one of the few mistakes that can harm it. The soil should be kept slightly moist, but never soggy. Always check the top inch of soil with your finger. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Use room temperature water, and if possible, filtered or distilled water. Spider plants can be sensitive to chemicals found in tap water, such as fluoride and chlorine, which may cause brown tips on the leaves. Drainage is crucial. Always plant your grand bloom spider plant in a pot with proper drainage holes. Standing water can lead to root rot, which is one of the most common plant issues among indoor gardeners. A well-draining potting mix, ideally one made for houseplants, will provide the perfect balance of moisture retention and aeration. One of the most exciting aspects of growing a grand bloom spider plant is its ability to produce babies, small plantlets that dangle gracefully from long stems. These miniature spider plants can be easily propagated to create new plants. To do this, wait until the baby plant has several leaves and small roots. Then, either place it directly in soil or let it root in water before planting. Watching your spider plant multiply is one of the most satisfying rewards of plant care. Fertilizing your grand bloom spider plant helps maintain its vibrancy. Feed it with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks during spring and summer. When it's actively growing, during fall and winter, reduce feeding to once every 6 to 8 weeks as growth naturally slows down. Over-fertilizing can lead to salt buildup, so it's better to err on the side of caution. Humidity isn't a big concern for the grand bloom spider plant, making it perfect for American homes. However, if you live in an especially dry region, you can occasionally miss the leaves or place a humidity tray nearby. This prevents the leaf tips from drying out and keeps the plant looking lush. The grand bloom spider plant is a natural air freshener and visual delight, but it also makes a beautiful accent piece for any style of interior decor. In modern minimalist homes, it adds a splash of life to neutral tones. In rustic spaces, it complements wooden textures beautifully. Hanging baskets, ceramic pots, or woven planters, it adapts effortlessly to your aesthetic. Pests are rare, but occasional visitors like spider mites or aphids may appear. The best prevention is a healthy plant. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth every few weeks to remove dust and keep them breathing freely. If pests appear, a light spray of neem oil or insecticidal soap will solve the issue naturally. Repotting your grand bloom spider plant should be done every 1 to 2 years, or when roots begin to outgrow the pot. Choose a container one size larger and refresh the soil. This encourages new growth and prevents the roots from becoming bound. Another fascinating feature of this plant is its tolerance to different light levels. It can thrive under fluorescent lighting, making it ideal for office environments as well. It's a plant that follows your lifestyle, adaptable, easygoing, and ever elegant. Throughout the USA, the grand bloom spider plant has become a favorite for its ability to bring calm and vitality to every space. Its clean lines, cascading shape, and symbolic meaning of renewal make it a living sculpture of peace and freshness. To truly connect with your plant, take a few moments each week to observe it, its new shoots, its gentle sway, its resilience. Plants respond to care and attention, and the grand bloom spider plant is no exception. It will reward you with year-round beauty that feels alive and connected to your daily routine. In every home, whether large or small, this plant transforms air and emotion. It's not just about greenery, it's about growing mindfulness, patience, and natural beauty. So, if you're ready to bring elegance and positive energy into your life, the grand bloom spider plant is the perfect start. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub, where every leaf tells a story. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more inspiring guides and videos about plant care and seasonal growth. Let's grow beautifully together.